How to port your number to Google Voice. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to voice.google.com in the search bar. Then sign in with your Google account. After that, click on the link to port or transfer your existing number from the description box. You will see a few options, but select the one for porting a personal number. Then click on porting status and enter your phone number to see if your number is eligible. Keep in mind a few important things before porting. First, it costs $20 to port your number, which is very affordable for keeping your existing number. Second, your mobile service plan may be affected. Only the ported number is removed from your plan, so you won't lose other lines as family plan. Third, you won't receive calls on your number during the porting process until you forward it to a new number. You may also experience a short delay with text messages. After that, you will need to verify ownership of your number. Google will call your mobile number and you will enter the verification code provided. Then input your current carrier account details including account number, PIN, and billing information. Make sure everything is accurate so Google can process the port automatically. Finally, confirm the $20 payment to initiate the porting. The process usually completes within 24 hours. Once done, your number is successfully transferred to Google Voice, allowing you to make calls, send text, and access voicemail through the app wherever you have internet access. Now you know how to port your number to Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.